Spontaneous coronary artery dissection, which is commonly known as SCAD, is a rare type of heart attack that mostly affects women. And in fact, it causes about 25% of heart attacks in women under the age of 50. And so the first bit of work we did was a systematic review looking at care for people who've had SCAD and looking at what happens once they get access to cardiac rehab. Cardiac rehab is traditionally attended by men in their mid-60s, so you can begin to understand why women who have a SCAD who get sent to a cardiac rehab program find it's not really suiting their needs.
I had a SCAD 2 years ago, resulting in 2 heart attacks. At the time of my heart attacks, if there had been a SCAD-specific protocol, a SCAD-specific cardiac rehab, that would have been huge, because you're not given any information and there's nobody helping you know when you can go back to exercise or how much you should push yourself, or whether that's you never exercising again forever. You have no information.
Women are frequently told when they present with a SCAD and with any other kind of heart event in their younger years that they're anxious and they're worried, and these dismissive messages that people get lead to delays in effective treatment. And so for me, I think there's a lot of work to do around supporting people to understand the differences in women's health, the differences in presentation, and how we can support people to live independently. The innovative part of this is that it just hasn't been done at all yet in Scotland. And really there are only pockets of us researching SCAD across the whole of the world, and we're managing to form quite a lovely network of people who are interested in supporting people. That's really why Napier can make a difference, because we are open to those collaborations and open to supporting others to develop and grow their research.
The effect of this project will be huge. It's immeasurable, and it will not just be for Scotland, it will be worldwide.